Yeah, so that's really interesting. So the historical average pool price, Alberta power pool price, has been about $51 a megawatt hour over the last 10 years. Which is a pretty reasonable price. But wind was just procured under long-term contract at the end of last year for about $39 a megawatt hour, so well below the average historical price. Solar was procured for $48 a megawatt hour, again below the average historical price. So as those projects are producing in the grid, typically they're going to receive something around the average price. And those are, two examples of proof, where pricing actually came in below the average price. And in those cases, those contracts should be profitable for what in this case is the government, which is providing that price guarantee. Another interesting point is the difference between wind and solar. Mm-hmm. So wind and solar are both emissions-free sources of energy, but both really great to help meet sustainability objectives. But in the Alberta market, we see tremendous near-term potential in the case of solar, probably more so than wind. We have a whole bunch of wind that's coming online in this province in the next couple of years, which is great for our environmental performance and great for Alberta consumers. But the nice thing about solar is solar produces during on-peak hours, where wind usually produces during off-peak hours. So off-peak hours, are nighttime and times of, relatively lower power usage. But solar produces during hot, sunny days. Those are the days when we have the highest amount of air conditioning load. Those are some of the tightest supply hours in the market. And as a result, solar typically receives a premium to the average power price. So if you compare the average power price of $50, $51 a megawatt hour, solar came in at 48. Solar, if it sells into the market, is likely to receive something that's even higher than the average price, again showing that solar has the potential to actually be a profitable transaction.